Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming 2 phone numbers and updating iOS so both apps run reliably. Once done, enable iCloud Drive and WhatsApp backups to save chat history. Now install WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business, one app per account, because iPhone prevents 2 identical accounts in the same app. After installation, open the first app and verify the first number, then open the second app and verify the other number. This parallel setup lets you run 2 WhatsApp identities on one iPhone. You now verify both numbers and configure each profile so contacts know which account to use. Make sure to allow microphone, camera, and contacts for each app, otherwise voice notes and calls fail. Once profiles are set, go into Settings, right arrow Chats, and enable iCloud Backup for the app you want to preserve. Then link devices via Link Devices to use WhatsApp Web. This avoids logging in and out. Make sure notification tones differ so you can tell accounts apart instantly. You finish by testing messages, voice calls, and group joins from both apps to confirm full functionality. Once satisfied, adjust visuals, distinct wallpapers, and notification sounds to reduce mistakes. For long-term use, schedule regular backups per app and export important chats before device changes. If something goes wrong, for example verification fails, check that SMS forwarding or the second service number is active. Retry via the call verification option and restart the iPhone. This resolves most connection and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.